Welcome to Flash Photography Tips and Tricks. Some things you must know when using ETTL Flash. If you haven't already done so, sign up for my Flash Tips and Tricks video lessons, and I'll teach you the secrets of creating great Flash portraits. Hi, Dave Likes here. I've been using ETTL Flash forever. Here's the thing, like anything, there's a bit of a learning curve. Don't worry, these lessons are quick and to the point. If you are new to Flash photography, here are 3 top tips to get you going. Number 1, I highly recommend you use green zone mode anytime you are in a hurry. Number 2, use P mode when you need to add or subtract flash exposure. And number 3, finally, use AV or aperture priority mode when combining flash with room or ambient light. Note, when shooting indoors, you must set the camera and flash on a tripod. Well, that's it for now. Don't forget to sign up and keep an eye on your inbox for free lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.